Good morning, students. In our last class, we have covered these tags in HTML. Heading tag H1 to H6, paragraph tag, then BR tag, break the line, HR tag, horizontal line tag. Today, we are going to start the topic attributes of body tag and some other tags. Attributes of body, BG color, background, and text. Tags bold, italic, underline, strike through, and space tags. Attributes of body tag: BG color, background, text. Body tag is used to contain a web page's content, including hyperlinks, images, tables, text, etc. First attribute is BG color. It is used to change the background color. 16 colors available for the background. If you use BG color in the web page, the background should be changed with this color. Syntax: how to use it? You should use in the beginning of the tag only. Body BG color equal to color name. The color name should use with quotation. Example: BG color equal to yellow. And next attribute is text. Suppose if you want to change the color of the text in the HTML, then you can use the attribute text. It is used to change the color of all the text in the HTML. How to use it? Body text equal to color name. The important is the quotation mark. These two tags you should use together. How to use it? Body BG color equal to yellow. Then you should use the space. Give a space. Then text equal to red. Now let's see an example using these attributes. Here I am using body BG color equal to yellow and text equal to blue. I use blue. Now let's see what happened when you run this HTML. See, the background is changed to yellow and text be changed in blue color. Next attribute is background. Background, it is used to change the background with an image. Image should be JPEG file or GIF type file. When you use this one, if you want to change the background with an image, that image should be stored in the folder where you save the HTML file. How to use it? Body background equal to file name. The file name should be inside the double quotation. And when you write the file name, you should write the file name with all the path, clear path. Then only it display. Here I am using example body background equal to the file which I store it, that is in the E drive. E drive, inside the E drive there is a web page. Inside the web page the peacock.jpg image is there. So you should write with the extension .jpeg or jpg. And I change the text color also with blue. Now let's see an example using these attributes. When you use the background, you cannot use BG color. Any one you can use. If you want to use BG color, then it change only the color. If you want to give an image, then you can use background. These two attributes we cannot use together. Let's see. Here I am using body background E web page peacock.jpg and text equal to blue. Let's see what happened when we run this HTML. Here I am storing the peacock file. See, the image should be displayed in the background and the text will be displayed in blue color. Now some more formatting tabs are there, that is bold, italic, underline, strike through, superscript, subscript and blank space. This tag can be used anywhere in the text. It is an container tag. That means you should open and close. That is a container tag. Bold. If you want to make the text bold, you should use B tag, open tag and close tag. And inside, in between, you can, what text you want to use, you can write it here. Then italic, it make the text in italic format. All of you know that. What do you mean by italic format? That is I tag can be used, open it and close it. Then underline tag. If you want to make any text in underline, then make the text with underline, you can use U tag. U and give the text which you want to use as an underline, then close the U tag. Strike through, make the text with strike through. That means in between the text one line be display. That is strike text, close the strike tag. Then subscript. Suppose if you want to use any chemical name H2O, then you should use this subscript. That is sub, which text you want to make it down, and then close the sub. Text appears half a character below the normal line. Example is H2O. Then H, you should write first H, then tag you can use SUB tag, then 2, close the SUB tag. Superscript. Text appears half a text above the normal line. That means if you want to use a mathematical functions, that means a square plus b square, then you can use SUP tag, superscript tag. Superscript tag open, give the text, close the superscript tag. Example is given here, A, then SUP 2, close the SUP. Another tag is blank space. If you want to give a space between the text, then you can use this tag. It is used to split the word across the two lines. To use a non-breaking space entry, use and symbol NPSP, and you should end with semicolon. Example is here, text, then. Now let's see an example using these tags. I use it here, body BG color pink, text equal to blue, and I use bold. Bold, internet bold, italic, then the internet, that italic should close, underline, I use same letter internet, close the underline, strike, then give the text, close the strike. I write the chemical name H2O, then H, give the subscript tag, 2, close the subscript tag, then O. Then mathematical function is a superscript, 2, close the superscript, plus I write it the B2 also. Then I write here Nirmal Vidyalaya. Here when you see Nirmal Vidyalaya, there will be no space. If I use this one, then it display the space. See, here is the space. Bold, italic, little bit slighter, then underline, strike through, then H2O, then a square plus b square, then there be a space. Clear, students? Till now we have learned attributes of body, some formatting tag. In the next class we will continue with uses of font tag and image tag and its attributes. Thank you.